Hey guys, it's warm up with Miss P. The only thing different today is now we still have a monomial with a binomial, but now we're going to do subtraction of the binomial. So that's the only thing different now. If you would like to try this, please pause this video and give it a try. If not, I'm going to go over them right now. So we are doing the addition first. We are going to add the function f of x, which is negative 9x squared y, and g of x, which is 4x squared y plus 2y. So I'm just going to put that is yellow. I do not know how I feel about yellow. I apologize. Yellow is definitely not dark enough. My bad. Okay. So let's just go with blue. Okay. So negative 9x squared y, okay, plus, because we're still continuing with the addition for a, 4x squared y plus 2y. All right, so for this one, guys, we're just going to look, are there any like terms? Well, this x squared y goes with this x squared y. So we're going to underline those because they're like terms. So we're going to add them because it's addition. So we're going to do negative 9, okay, remember there's that negative in front of that 9, plus 4. Okay, negative 9 plus 4 is the same thing as 4 minus 9. But if you guys really think about it, the 9 is bigger, so you know your answer is going to be bigger. And what's the difference between 9 and 4? Well, 5. So you're actually going to get a negative 5. We're going to keep our x squared y. And now we're going to look at this 2y. Well, that 2y has nothing to combine with, so we're just going to tack it on at the end, so you get plus 2y, and that is our answer. All beautiful. All right, b is the only thing really different, because now we're actually going to do subtraction, and, you'll see what goes on. So I'm going to rewrite my negative 9x squared y, but guys, now I'm subtracting. Okay, when you subtract a binomial, I would put it in parentheses, okay? Make it easy on yourself. 4x squared y plus 2y. Because, guys, we're not just subtracting the 4x squared y, we're also subtracting the 2y, okay? What I personally like to do is I like to change the signs. Because, guys, this essentially is like a negative 1 in front, right? I like to multiply everything by a negative 1, which just changes its sign and makes this a plus. So now we're going to add, okay, but this positive 4 is going to become a negative 4, okay, and that positive 2 is going to become a negative 2. Let me do that in another color so we can see that. So this minus that was here becomes a plus. This positive becomes a minus, and this positive becomes a minus. So essentially what we did, guys, is we just changed the sign of everything. So now we're going to combine like terms. But what are our like terms? Negative 9x squared y goes with, I did that, goes with, now it's a negative 4x squared y. All right, so if we combine a negative 9 and a negative 4, we're just adding two negatives. So negative 9 plus a negative 4 would be a negative 13. Keep the same last name, x squared y. And now we have a negative 2y. Okay, it was positive, but since we're subtracting it, it became a negative. So it's going to be negative 2y. That is our answer. And that is our warm up for today. Sorry it was a little bit longer, but I just wanted to make sure you understood that when you subtract a whole binomial, it doesn't just, subtract the first part. You also have to change the sign of the second part. Hope you guys have a good one. Bye.